Hi and welcome to the News Chronicle. My name is Hassan Haruna. Here are the news that have been trending in the northern region. First, let me start with Kwara State. An Islamic cleric in Kwara State have been arrested for killing a final year student of Kwara College of Education for money ritual. Now move to Sokoto State. The Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC) says it has lost over 558 boxes in the fire incident that have gutted its office in Sokoto State. Now, Niger State, the Catholic Bishop of Kontagora, Reverend Bulus Yohana, has conducted a mass wedding for 21 couples in Niger State on Sunday. Now move to Adamawa State. The Adamawa State government has proposed a give and take agreement between Nigeria and Cameroon to solve border demarcation problems between Nigeria and Cameroon. Now politics. Former governor of Sokoto State, Aminu Waziri Tambuwal, says Tinubu government lack direction, claims PDP defectors to APC are driven by personal gain. Now move to Zamfara State. The Zamfara State APC Secretary Yusuf Idris has condemned attack on its members by political thugs in the state. Similarly, the Zamfara State Governor Dauda Lawan has banned any political gathering in the state. Now move to Bauchi State. PDP urged to ensure level playing field ahead of 2027 general election in the state. Opposition party of PDP and NNPP have won the local government elections in Katsina State. Now insecurity. Boko Haram functions led by Bakura attack ISWAP terrorist camp in Abadam local government area of Borno State and killed top commanders and 35 other fighters in Borno State. Now move to Kaduna State. Troops of Operation Safe Haven have neutralized 2 suspected kidnappers and rescued 4 victims in Jema'a local government area of Kaduna State. Similarly, police have neutralized 4 kidnappers in Kebbi State and rescued 60-year-old victim. Now the issue of insecurity in northern Nigeria has become something else, which is increasing in a daily basis. So you can share your view in the comment sections. What is the solution of these crimes, kidnapping, terrorism in the northern Nigeria? We need to hear from you. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channels at the News Chronicles. You can also follow us in X, like us in Facebook. Like, comment, and share. Thank you and see you next.